Years ago, only professional contractors were able to add a faux effect to your walls. These days, top-brand paint manufacturers make it easy for do-it-yourselfers. If you're a first-timer, start with finishes that apply easily with a paint roller. For shimmering walls, use a water-based metallic paint or glaze. They're available in a range of colors that sparkle and shimmer when the light hits the wall. For textured effects, look for paints with added sandstone or silica. The slightly raised, gritty finish adds depth and drama. Brush suede paint also adds a sense of depth, but avoid using it in high-traffic areas. It can scratch easily and touch-ups are hard to blend in. If you're willing to take on applications that require more than a paint roller, try a beautiful Venetian or artisan plaster effect. Such plasters used to require a time-consuming process only skilled artisans could master. With today's technological advances in materials, do-it-yourselfers get amazing results using kits sold in retail stores. The multi-dimensional look of Venetian plaster usually requires 2 or more layers, applied with a putty knife or trowel. Artisan plaster comes in various textures requiring different applications: crackle, leaf effects, and tissue paper techniques. No matter which type you choose, first practice on a piece of drywall or a wood board. Once you feel confident, prep your walls as you would for any paint. Tape off the trim, fix cracks, and fill nail holes. Then follow manufacturer directions carefully. Before you know it, ho-hum walls will be transformed.